Try this two-step facial at home on this eye and get glowing skin. Try this scrub and mask for skin whitening. Take a tomato and squeeze a juice from it. Tomatoes is excellent for skin whitening, reduces excessive oil. Removal of dead skin prevents acne. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Tighten pores. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Rice flour is a natural skin brightener that helps to even out the skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey diminishes the signs of premature aging. Honey is an effective pore cleanser and gentle exfoliator. Honey lightens scars and hyperpigmentation. Honey fights acne and breakouts. Honey relieves sunburn. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel removes dark spots and patches and eliminates dead skin cells. Aloe vera can help lighten your skin tone. Apply this mask twice a week for amazing results. It is second mask for apply on your skin to get glowing skin. These both masks give you mind-blowing results. Believe me and try at least once. We make cerealic mask for whitening. Cerealic is full of nutrients. It has vitamin A and B, which is very good for skin. It's removed all dead skin and give you smooth and glowing skin. 1 tablespoon of cerealic. Here I use Saweet Ghani rose water with aloe vera. You can use any one. Rose water helps to unclog the pores to remove excess sebum and dirt from the skin, which ultimately results in a fair complexion. Mix it well and use this mask after tomatoes and rice flour mask for best results. Use this mask twice a week. Like, subscribe, and share.